How to turn off notifications on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you want to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there click on push notifications. And here you will be able to customize and turn off the notifications that you want. You can turn some off and leave the others on. Another option is you can open up your settings, then go to apps and search for TikTok. Search for TikTok, then click on notifications, and here you will be able to have even more customization, as you can see, and you can also turn them all off at once, meaning that you will disable all of the TikTok apps notifications. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and mute the notifications on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.